Hello and welcome to another one of our unboxing videos, product unboxing videos. This is an in-car 12-volt cigarette charger. It's made by Anker and it's the model is the PowerDrive 2 Elite. Picked this up from Amazon, got it via Prime. It's about £7. Now I've had previous Anker products, including one of their little batteries, and they're really good quality, so I decided to give them the business again. So look. Now this one here features a lot of smart technologies built into it, such as voltage protection and all that sort of stuff, and it has a boost feature in it as well. So that's the fast charging with industry leading technology, and apparently got a lot of users using this stuff, and I'm one of them. So let's just see what you get in the box. If you are thinking about buying one of these, this is what you can expect. So you get obviously the product, it's well packaged, little instruction manual, just telling you what you should and shouldn't do with it. I just want to read the charge current in a minute because it's quite important. When you're buying stuff like this, it's quite important. You look at the charging current. Does it say what it is? No, it doesn't. It might say on the back. Oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. So the output, it's input 12 volts. It's obviously your car cigarette lighter. The output is a 5 volt, 4.8 amps, or 2.4 amps per port. That's quite a lot of current to charge something up. So if you're charging your phone or your tablet, that's not going to take a lot of time to charge that up. So it's nicely packed in this. It comes in a bag. And this is the actual device itself. It's got like a sort of carbon fibre type around the edge, and these bits are springy. Just hold it in quite well sprung, so it's decent spring in there. And obviously that's your standard positive. Try and get a good shot of that. Oh, the light's not very good in there. PowerDrive 2 Elite, that just says what it is. It says the same as an instruction manual. So this is it, well built, carbon fibre type effect around the side. Looks smart in any vehicle, you know. Can't see that at all. So that's basically the unboxing for it. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, this is the kind of quality and sort of size you can expect. Thanks for watching.